guys, previously that girl just came into me and said I was pretty. What? I just dyed my hair to pink with black. Oh, half pink with half black. And she thinks I'm pretty. So I took this picture of her. So there's no wait. I have to take a picture right behind this tree. Wait. Oh, Jesus Christ. He's just following. Oh my God. Jesus Christ. Oh my God. Ah! Jesus Christ. Oh my God. Guys, I have to get out. Jesus Christ. Oh my God. Oh my God. Go away. Oh my God. I'm literally just going. I'm going. Still, bro. Still. I'm going. Jesus Christ. I'm going. Still. I'm going. Bro, go. I'm going home. I'm going outside, bro. I'm going outside. Jesus Christ. Oh my God. He just don't want to let me come in and out. Oh my God. I have to take this out. Okay. Let me see. Oh my God. Let me zoom in. Oh. I'm finally got it on video. I'm literally finally got it on. Oh shit! Oh no. Not again. I have. Oh, Jesus Christ. Finally. He is gone. He's gone. I'm just gonna sit right here. The sick video, so not the right now. Okay. I forgot. I'd have to upload this on video. Oh, Jesus Christ. Oh. Okay. Yeah, I'm just gonna work. Yeah. Oh shit! I forgot. No, wait! I forgot. No. Yeah. I'm just gonna go. Okay, where the heck did they go? I swear, I saw them. Okay, where the heck did... I swear. I literally swear they just came inside. Oh, is there this gun? Oh my God, where are they? Okay. Oh, Jesus Christ! Oh, Jesus! No, not again! No! I'm not leaving! I'm leaving! Nah! Is he fine? Let me take a few one quick. Where the heck? Oh, Jesus Christ! Oh, no! Jesus Christ! No. Wait! Oh, Jesus Christ, I have to leave! Fast, bro, fast! Oh my God. This is crazy. That's crazy. So crazy. Oh, wait! Oh, Jesus Christ! Oh my God. Oh my God. Okay. Ah, Jesus. I'm gonna spy on them for a while. I'm finding online daters in this game every time when I join the server, bro. I found people this online dating when I join in the server. Jesus Christ. I gotta take this on video and send this to the teacher. I gotta send this to the teacher right now, and I gotta see what's going up with them. Oh my God, I'm just gonna see what's up with them. I'm sending this to the teacher. Oh my God, I'm gonna send this to the school right now. I'm going to school right now. Okay, the school's right here, so I'm gonna go right here on time now. Let me go here, please. Please, I have to go. Okay, school off. I need. Where the heck is them? Okay. Oh no. Where's the teacher, bro? Bro, where's the teacher? Where's the teacher at, bro? Bro, where's the teacher? Okay, this might be weird because the teacher always comes here. And I'll just leave it right here. My friend is dating someone. Like, I'm just saying that. That's crazy. Okay. Okay. Please reply. Please reply. Okay. Anyways. Okay. Okay. Anyways. Okay. Phony noodle no, not that. I'm not gonna. Okay. What's going on? Oh, wait. Please. No, I have to put this on video. Okay, I just have this. Okay. What's this gonna say? This. Okay. Lily. So Lily is kind of different because that's different. Lisa is a different girl because she keeps following me when I get to my friend's house. Okay, what's this word? Easy answer. Please, easy answer. I need an easy answer. Jesus Christ, please. An easy answer. Please. Okay, what is she writing? When she is there, when she's gone, I'm leaving the class. This is crazy. I'd never leave a class. And in thin air, I leave class. It's crazy, bro. Okay. Okay, I'm just going right here. I'm just going to just go. Oh my god. If she finds me just in here, I'm so dead, bro. I'm literally so dead. I'm literally so dead. If she finds me here, I'm literally so dead, bro. Bros, I'm so dead, bro. I'm literally dead if she finds me. Okay. If she finds me here, I'm super dead. Okay, my hair is sticking out. I don't know why. Because that might be a big hair because I grew with a big hair when I was a kid. And this is different. It was Roblox hair. See, it's called Roblox. Roblox sign here. Oh my god. If she finds me, I'm super dead, bro. Guys, I'm super dead if she finds me. Okay. I have to catch this on video. I have to find what's going on. Okay. Okay, we'll leave them a little note. Yeah, literally no. If he dies right here, I'm super dead. Okay. Finally, he's gone. He's very fast. Okay, he is. Okay, anyways, let's get back to sending a mail. Right. Will they find me? super dead. I'll write a letter right behind here. And that would be sent right there. Okay, I sent the letter. Okay, let's wait until he finds out that's the letter from me. Okay, if he finds that letter was from me, he's gonna break my head off. Jesus, I'm gonna wait here. I'm going inside here. Yeah. With my angry eyes like this. Just gonna wait. If he knows this was just right here, and if he finds out my evil version of me taking videos, I'm gonna be super dead. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. I have to turn into my evil self. Okay, how evil self would be me? Yeah. Guys, they are not coming outside. Do I have to knock on the door, bro? Bros, I have to knock on the door. Guys, if you're watching this, if boys are watching this, or kids are watching this, I might be gonna knock something. I'm gonna throw something at them from here, and let's go. Why my character not moving, bro? There we go. I'm leaving here. Finally. If he finds out I'm right here, he's super dead. Right there. Okay, see, I'm right there. Okay, look at me. I'm right there. Look, I'm right there, bro. Bros, look at that. I'm right there. If they know that I'm right there, they're super dead. Oh my god. They're super dead. If they find me, I'm super dead as well. They're super dead and I'm super dead. This is gonna be a full half. Now, that's gonna be a recap today. Another recap. Recap. Coming up soon. Recap coming up soon right now. Well, right now, bro. Recap coming soon, bro. Coming soon. Recap. Oh my god. Yo. Okay. They're just coming to here. Oh my god, they're coming here. Oh my god. Am I getting stuck right now? Seriously, bro. Am I getting stuck? Okay. Or he's coming after me. They're coming to me. I'm gonna say hi with a question mark. And I said, I don't know you. Huh? Of course not. Yes. If he going this, I'm super dead. I'm literally super dead. Of course not. Yes, he said yes, and my character said yes. But him over there. It's me over there. Oh, Blackpink video coming out soon. Yeah, okay. Are you serious right now? The noob is here. Get out now. I'm just saying no. I'm gonna say no because it's my place. No. No. Okay. Get out of this right here. I'm really gonna sit right here. Uh, uh. Okay, I'm still gonna take a video and send this to police. I'm sorry. I'm gonna send this video. Okay, I have to send this video. Where are they? Where the heck are they? Okay, where the heck are they, bro? Bro, what the heck? Where the heck are they? Okay, he's finally gone. Now, if we have to find it. Okay, a roommate. I can look in. If he finds me, I'm dead. Okay. Okay. Let's leave the door opened like this and let's go. They don't want anybody that's walking in. Yeah, I'm just a violent student because this. Yeah. Whoa, chill, bro, chill. Oh no. No. Oh my god. Oh no. Yeah. I'm gonna put my arms up. No way, I'm saying. No way. This is my. That's my. Oh shit. Oh no. It's only 50%. I'm just gonna leave them right there. Okay. No, wait. Boss, help! No police. I'm police. No. Not now. No. I'm scared. I'm scared. No. No, wait. Is he lying? I'm actually here. I have to. Oh, finally, I got him. Yeah, finally! This is great. Okay. Please. Why? Oh! These words. No. No. I said no. Oh, no. Get in. Finally, yes. If we find me, I'm super dead. Where is he? Where the heck is he? Yeah. Okay. You know what, right? Wait, no, please, I'm dead. I'm not dead. I'm literally dead. Oh my god. That's crazy. I could have died. I literally could have died. Wait. I said, that's enough. Please, that's enough. No. Okay, I'm just gonna. Okay. Never. No people. Only me. Okay, fine. Oh, I'm putting on scared face right now. I'm feeling scared. I'm feeling scared. You know, I'm cute. I'm in a cute ducky costume. No. Okay. Where the heck is my boat? Where's my friend? Where's my freaking friend? Hey guys, where the heck is my freaking bro? Where the heck is my freaking friend? Oh, this is bad. Oh no, this is bad. Something happened to him. This might be bad. Might be bad. I saw I saw a blue thing over there. Oh, I saw a blue thing. What's that? Wait, where'd the blue thing go? Oh, it's just a mirror. Am I dumb? It's just a mirror and get rid of the slide. This was sad. Oh my god. Online daters are gone. Wow. I see a house. Huh? Oh, okay, I'm not. Okay, what? Okay, what the fuck? Okay, what the fuck?